In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a live coaching session in Kajabi. Whether you're a seasoned coach or just getting started, knowing how to set up a live session is crucial for delivering your coaching program effectively. So let's dive right in and walk through the entire process together. First things first, you'll want to navigate to kajabi.com. This is where everything begins. Once you're on the website, take a look at the upper right corner and you'll see a login button. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring you to the login page where you'll have the option to log in using your email or your Google account. Choose whichever method you're more comfortable with and enter your credentials to access your account. Now that you're logged in, head over to the Products tab. From there, locate the coaching section and select Programs. This is where you'll find all your coaching products. Assuming you've already created a coaching program, choose the specific one you are looking to host a live session for. If your booking is manual, this is where you'll confirm those details. Next, let's focus on the program settings. Here, you have the option to connect the Kajabi scheduler if you plan to use it for scheduling. The scheduler is useful for organizing and managing your sessions, but make sure it aligns with your preference and needs for scheduling interactions with clients. Afterward, you'll need to configure some essential details for your session, including the location of your live sessions. Choose an option such as the built-in live video feature. Setting the duration of your sessions is also important, so ensure you establish how long each session will be. Don't forget to set up any reminder notifications to keep yourself and your clients informed and prepared for the upcoming session. With those logistics squared away, it's time to hone in on your audience, navigate back to the coaching program, and choose the specific client or clients you will be meeting with. This personalizes your session and ensures you have the right audience in your coaching space. Once you've selected your clients, the next step is to pinpoint the exact session you'll be conducting. This requires you to identify and select the specific session within your coaching program that you want to go live with. Finally, when everything looks good and you're ready to start the session, simply click Go Live in the top right corner of the session page. This will initiate the live session and broadcast your coaching to your selected clients. And just like that, you're ready to engage with your audience and deliver impactful coaching live through Kajabi. Hopefully this guide helps you create a seamless and efficient live coaching session. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore and get familiar with all the tools that Kajabi has to offer. Best of luck with your coaching session.